walking downtown and I'm okay. He's got it all figured out, it's what they all say, yeah. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm different.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Emily and today I'm getting my life together. So today's Tuesday. It's been gloomy. It was gloomy yesterday, so clearly my Monday was off to a very slow start. Yeah, I'm gonna move over to the couch and we're gonna have a little chat and discuss why I really need to get my life together today. So let's go. And first, please ignore the eczema. It is getting better compared to like before, like it's getting better, but I don't know, it's just taking a really long time to fully go away this time, but it's all good. So I decided that I had to film today because that means that I have to get stuff done. Like, I'm recording it for you guys so you can see that I'm gonna get my stuff done today. These past 2 weeks have been draining, not really because of work, but mostly because of like personal stuff and everything. So my best friend just left yesterday. She was here for the weekend. We celebrated my friend's birthday. All that was fun. But like last week, my sister stayed with me all week, which was great. Like, we had a lot of fun. But of course, when like I have somebody staying with me, it gets a little bit difficult to like really film or do anything like that because I don't know, I just want to like spend time with that person and don't really want to film. And then last weekend I was back home, but I don't know, these last 2 weeks was just like a lot of socializing with family and friends, which is obviously great, but it does get me off my routine for a little bit. I doubt you guys noticed, but last week I only uploaded 1 video instead of 2, and also the week before that. So that's why I knew I had to film today so I could edit it and post it for tomorrow and get back on track. Anyways, besides that, I'm just trying to get back into my routine, and my place just feels like really like all over the place, and it's really not. It's just mostly that I have like boxes that I have to like tear down. But like one thing that I really need to work on this week is my office, because I did get some new shelving and I'm going to start setting up that space very soon because I have new products that I'm going to launch for my shop super soon. So like I need to get a bunch of stuff done so I can focus on that side of my business, which is the non-influencer side. It's like my actual business. So yeah, that's basically the rundown. I'm having my coffee. I drank a lot of water while and after the gym this morning. That's a good thing. I've still been keeping up with the gym and everything. Still going at 6 a.m. and I love it, but I have been like pretty tired after just because I haven't gotten much sleep. But what I'm going to do first, I already was looking at some emails, but I'm gonna hop back on there. Then I really need to go to UPS and probably the storage unit to see if I have enough boxes for one of my retailers, because I'm selling out again. I am literally just boxes away from selling out, and my new order should be shipping soon, so fingers crossed. But yeah, it's just a lot of stuff in my head right now. So yeah, we're going to work on some emails, go to UPS, go to the storage unit, come back, get ready, because I have to film for another video today for sure. Since I'm gonna do my makeup, I'm gonna try out and knock out a couple of things. I don't even like wearing makeup these days sometimes, so like when I wear it, I want to take advantage and like do filming that day and stuff. So yeah, we're just gonna go straight into the emails. Let's catch up with things a little bit.
Every single year, yeah, it never fails, I try. But maybe I don't ever wanna put down this life. I could be your best friend, but I can't pick up my phone.
So an hour has passed, and so far I've gone through my emails. Everything's just in my head of things that I have to do. I posted on my Instagram, which is good because yesterday I didn't even post, but I don't know why within this 40 minutes. Okay, within that time, I just started getting like anxiety, and I just can't stop thinking about like home stuff, like family stuff. I don't know why, it's just like bugging me. Anyways, I think if I just hurry up and go run my errands and come back and like do my makeup, do my hair a little bit, maybe that'll help me feel a little bit better too. So Okay, so clearly you guys saw I'm back. I was back for a while already, honestly, but I was hungry, I ate, and not gonna lie, I was just on my phone for a really long time because I physically and mentally can't get myself to do anything. But it's okay because we all have those days. It's fine. Just taking more breaks today than usual. Slowly we'll get back to our regular motivational self. But anyways, I'm gonna get started on like my makeup and everything. Just try to feel a little bit better and get a little bit more motivated. It's already starting to feel a little bit cleaner in here, just getting rid of those boxes. So that's good. Okay, here's the before, okay? And now let's look a little cuter. All right, there we go. That's better. And I feel better too, honestly. Doing your makeup a little bit and hair, it really does boost your confidence. So thank goodness for that because it is now 12:50. I swear, I feel like I wasted so much of the day, but we're good. I feel so much better. I'm gonna change and then I have a cool package that I wanna show you guys that I got. And then I'm gonna work on that other content that I need to work on. All right, so I'm changed. I just put on this top. I'm probably gonna have to change again for some other pictures that I have to take, but for now, I'm just gonna chill in this. I wanted to go ahead and open up those packages. So I've gotten packages by them before, remember Calida Cera? So they sent me some more candles. I'm so excited. And I wonder if this is from their like another brand or something because everything was together. So this might be the owner's other brand. But look at how pretty this packaging is. Super cute. Let's go ahead and open them up. I think we should open this one up first. All right. This is cute. It's like a little tray, I think, for the candles. And it goes with my colors because all of my stuff is neutral and like orange. This is really cute. It's like speckled. Love it. Okay, cool. Now let's open up these. All right, it smells so good already. First one. No. Look it. This was my favorite one last time and now it's in a cute like terracotta orangey like peachy color. Okay, I love it. No, dude, this is so, I love this. Okay, remember I just got the little body vase from Amazon that I have on my shelf. This is way cuter because it's a candle and it's more relatable. How do you like these? Like, I don't want to like these at all. They're so cute. And look at how cute they are on the little tray. Okay. What? How is this a candle? I'm way too close. How is this a candle? Okay, this is way too cute. I really want this in my bedroom. And they smell so good. Guys, this is sick. I'm so excited. This honestly made my day. Which one is your favorite? I love them all. Like, just, I can't. Now that that's all good, I'm just gonna post on my story so I can share it with people on Instagram and say thank you to the brand. And now what I'm gonna do is actually work on another video that's due for a brand. So I'm just gonna work on that and then I'll check in with you guys after. Hey guys, so I have an update. I finished all of the content that I had to do for a brand, plus I did another video. So I'm really happy about that. I honestly feel so much better now that that is done, and all I have to do tonight is edit this video so it could go up tomorrow and start editing the other content. But before I say goodbye, I actually got 2 new packages in the mail, so I figured why not open them up. I already opened up some other packages for you guys. I got a package by Rare Beauty again. All right, I am back with the scissors. Oh my gosh, wait, this is cute. Okay, so what they sent over are a few things. So this was sent to share their new Always an Optimist Pore Diffusing Primer. That's awesome. I've actually been needing a primer, so this is perfect. Okay, this is awesome. So they sent me more of my Liquid Touch Brightening Concealer and the Weightless Foundation, and they sent me the primer. And then we have some brushes too. This is the foundation brush and the concealer brush. I use the sponge, but I haven't seen a lot of people transition back into brushes. So I'm really excited to try these out. So thank you so much, Rare Beauty. Doubt they're watching this, but oh my gosh, I'm so happy about that. Okay, Canopy. So this is for a collaboration that they're having with the Sill. I'm really excited about this one too. How cute. Okay, so what they sent me is their humidifier. But it's not just a humidifier, it's also a diffuser, and they sent over 3 different scents. So this is really exciting. And of course, my plants are going to love this as well, not just me. But yeah, thank you to the Sill and Canopy for sending this over. I just want to share that with you guys because I personally love to see unboxing videos, and that way you guys stay in the loop of all these fun little things I get sent. I'm super thankful for anything that a brand wants to send to me. It honestly is a blessing. Like, it still shocks me, honestly. And of course, thank you to you guys for your support, because if it weren't for your support, then brands wouldn't even know I exist or anything. So thank you guys. And I just wanted to mention this again. You guys saw how I was feeling in the beginning of this video to how I'm feeling now. I feel like it's a complete 180, and I guess I just want to remind you that it's okay to not start off your day motivated all the time. Even some days you might not want to do absolutely anything, and trust me, I've had those days. And when you're in that moment, at least to me, it feels like you're gonna be stuck with that feeling for a while, and it can get scary because I've gotten to really bad points where I had no motivation to do absolutely anything. So sometimes you have to write out that feeling and allow yourself to feel those feelings and give yourself some breaks, anything you need, because in the end, if you're not feeling well, it's always important to prioritize your feelings and just doing little things that are going to help you, because it's important to step back sometimes when you're not feeling well and recognize it. So I don't know if that made sense, but on that note, I'm going to take care of myself and drink some water and make some food while these videos upload so I can get to editing, and then hopefully not go to bed too late. Thank you guys for hanging out with me today. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like this video if you liked it, and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you want to keep more in touch, then don't forget to follow me on Instagram and even TikTok. I have different types of content on both those platforms if you guys are interested in checking them out. But thank you guys again, and I'll see you next video.